returns. Here's my recap of the 11th elimination, the 3rd rejoin, the 1st debut, and the 11th contest of Battle for Space Palace, which was released on January 14, 2012. But first up, the confessionals. Last episode, Balloony, Tree, Dictionary, Cloudy, Barf Bag, and Ruby were the final 6 and won immunity, putting the other 12 up for elimination. Surprisingly, instead of starting the elimination, the answer splits everyone into 3 groups of 4. This is the first group up for elimination. 8 Ball, you have a win token. Would you like to use it now? We got 6 of the total 26 votes. The first contestant safe is Remote, who got only 1 vote. Pill also got 1 vote, so now it's down to Grassy and 8 Ball. Only 4 votes are left. Surprisingly, Grassy and 8 Ball are tied at 2 votes, so we need a tiebreaker. For this tiebreaker, the person who got their 2nd vote first is eliminated. The last contestant safe is 8 Ball.
Sorry, Grassy, but finishing the challenge too late has gotten you eliminated.
This is the second group who's up for elimination. Does anyone want to use their tokens? Fanny was the only one that got 0 votes, meaning her win token is wasted. We got 8 votes. The first contestant safe is TV, who was initially going to be eliminated with 6 votes, but he used his immunity token, so he's safe. So now it's down to Basketball and Saw. Only 2 votes are left. Basketball and Saw are tied with 1 vote, so we need a tiebreaker. For this tiebreaker, the first person to get a vote is eliminated. Saw had the first vote, but she used her win token, meaning Basketball is eliminated. This was the wildest streak of luck ever in Battle for Space Palace. And this is the final group who is up for elimination. Robot Flower and Taco, you each have a win token. Would you like to use it now? This time we got 11 votes. The first contestant safe is Taco, who got 1 vote, and Pie got 2 votes, so now it's down to Robot Flower and Fries. Only 8 votes are left, but the announcer counts 9 votes in total for some reason. And with a vote of 3 to 6, the last contestant safe is Fries. Even with her win token, she would have been tied with Fries, but she still would have been eliminated anyway.
Over the course of Battle for Space Palace, people have been cheating the voting system, so these 12 eliminated contestants were put up for rejoining.
Naily, Bombi, and Robati were the only ones that got 0 votes. We got 20 votes this time. The first person to receive a vote was Trousers, but he still got 1 vote. Quark and Bell got 1 vote, while Eggy got 2 votes. Non-Existy also got 2 votes. As much as I would like to have both Nickels in the game, Nickel got 2 votes. And Dora got 3 votes, so now it's down to Marker and Evil Leafy. Only 8 votes are left. And with 6 votes, rejoining the game is Marker. Welcome back to the competition, Marker. As a reward for rejoining the game, you get a win token. Last episode, these 8 characters did the best and are up to join the game. Whitey was the only one that got 0 votes. We got 23 votes. Ice Cream Sandwich and Battery got 1 vote. Sky also got 1 vote. Dice got 3 votes. And Smoke Detector also got 3 votes, so now it's down to Epic Nickel and Wandy. Only 14 votes are left. Unsurprisingly, with a vote of 3 to 11, joining the game is Epic Nickel. Welcome to the competition, Epic Nickel. As a reward for joining the game, you get a win token and an immunity token. All of the users so far are revealed quickly. Surprisingly, the announcer announces a rearrangement of teams, and he claims that the choices for the team captains are for each other's team. So the announcer rearranges the teams based on which contestants picked them. The Supernova retains only 1 member, Tree. They get only 1 member from the Saturn Stars, being Balloony. And the only person they get from the Dopey Moons is Cloudy. And because they have 3 members left, Epic Nickel will join their team. The Saturn Stars retains TV, Marker, and Taco. The only person switching over from the Supernova is Pie. And for the Dopey Moons, they get Saw, 8 Ball, and Fry. The only person that the Dopey Moons retain is Ruby, and for the Supernova, they get Dictionary, Remote, and Fanny, and the 2 people they get from the Saturn Stars are Barf Bag and Pillow. The game has changed to be similar to the 3-team fates of Battle for Dream Island. The 11th contest is Hungry Fat People, which is to eat as many cakes as he can. The team that eats the smallest number of cakes combined will be up for elimination.
No matter the amount of cakes eaten, each direct message notifying you ate any number of cakes will count for 1 point.
The person who eats the most amount of cakes wins a win token. Contest time lasts 3 days.